Hey creatives, it's Loretta Houston here. Today we're diving into why having a dedicated website is essential for your success as an artist or photographer. Yes, Instagram is powerful, but let's talk about how a website can elevate your career and showcase your work like never before. Before becoming a photographer, I was a web designer for 15 years, so trust me when I say this. Social media is a great tool for exposure, but there's the catch. You're playing on borrowed land. Algorithms change, accounts get hacked, and trends come and go. What happens if Instagram shuts down tomorrow or your account gets shadow banned? A website, on the other hand, is your digital home. It's a space you own, control, and a professional platform where your work takes center stage without distractions or limitations. Here are a few reasons why a website is a must-have. Number one, professionalism. Your website reflects your brand. It's often the first impression potential clients, collaborators, or galleries have of you. Number two, accessibility. Make it easy for people to find you, learn about you, and contact you all in one place. Number three, portfolio showcase. Social media posts are fleeting, but a website lets you create your entire body of work in a structured and timeless way. Number four, an email list. A website allows you to collect emails from visitors, a critical asset for marketing your services, workshops, or products. Number five, selling your work. With the right setup, you can sell prints, services, or digital downloads directly from your site. When building your website, you have two main options: self-hosted website or artistic-specific platforms. So let's break it down. Self-hosted websites. Pros: full control of your design, features, and functionality. You own your content and have flexibility to customize everything. Cons: requires more setup and maintenance. You'll need to purchase hosting and a domain name separately. Popular platforms. There's WordPress.org, a powerful option with thousands of plugins and themes. You have Squarespace, user-friendly with beautiful templates. And you have Wix, great for beginners with drag and drop functionality. Artist websites. Pros: designed specifically for creatives, often with built-in portfolio tools, client proofing, and e-commerce option. Cons: limited customization compared to self-hosted sites. You're tied to their platform for hosting and design. Popular formats tailored for photographers with portfolio templates and a client gallery. SmugMug, great for showcasing and selling photography work. ArtStation, ideal for digital artists and illustrators. Where to buy your domain name? Use a reliable domain registrar like GoDaddy, Namecheap, Google Domains, and others. Choose a domain name that is simple, memorable, and aligns with your brand. A lot of people use their own name. For example, yournamephotography.com. With my background in web design, I've learned a thing or two about what works and what doesn't. Let's talk about structure and aesthetics. A well-organized website can make all the difference. Here's how to do it right. You have your homepage. Keep it clean and inviting. Feature your best work, a striking hero image that captures your style. Include a clear call to action. View my page portfolio or contact me. About page. Share your story, who you are, and what drives your creativity. Make it personal and engaging. Include a professional headshot and your artist statement. Portfolio. Organize your work into categories such as portraits, landscapes, commercial, lifestyle, advertising, you name it, fashion. Showcase only your best pieces, quality over quantity. What if you can't set up a shop on your website? If setting up an online shop on your website feels overwhelming or isn't possible, don't worry. There are plenty of platforms designed to help you sell your work seamlessly. You have Etsy, a popular market space for creatives to sell handmade or digital goods. You have Shopify, a robust commerce platform that integrates easily with your website. You also have Big Cartel, which is tailored for artists, offering simple tools to sell your products online. You have Social Society 6 or Redbumble, great for artists looking to sell prints, merchandise, or digital designs with a minimal setup. PayPal or Stripe links, create payment links for direct transactions and share them with your clients. These platforms can complement your website, giving you additional ways to monetize your art and photography. Aesthetic matters. Your website's look and feel should align with your brand. Choose a simple modern design that highlights your work, not the website itself. Pro tip, use a platform like Squarespace, Wix, or WordPress for customizable templates, designed especially for artists and photographers. Social media is great for building buzz, but your website is where you solidify your legacy. It's where clients see the full picture of who you are and what you bring to the table. So take the leap, invest in your online presence, and watch your creative career soar. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment with your website building questions. Let's create something amazing together. See you in the next video.